I'm teaching you how to make hot chocolate. Liquid hot chocolate. Yeah. I'm not gonna make anything, but I'm gonna just show you the ingredients. So, first you take, how do I flip it? Wait, I can flip it? What? Huh? So take one of these bowls or bigger. Take milk. I told you I'm not gonna make it. Take sugar and salt. Put the milk in the bowl. Take a spoon. To whisk it all up. I recommend a spoon. And when you get that spoon, you whisk it all up with 2 spoonfuls of sugar. Okay? You take that salt, you take a little pinch, then just do this with the salt. You know how to do that. Yeah, everybody knows. I remember get a mug like a person would do when they're making hot chocolate. But continue whisking with that salt until all of it is dissolved. Pour the stuff that you got from the bowl into that mug, and then you have it in a mug. Yeah. You take cocoa powder. I don't know where it's cocoa powder. I just couldn't show you on camera. It's kind of hard to do that. But in the cup, put the cocoa powder in the cup. Yeah. Mix it up, and if you need to, mix it up at the end of heating it up in the oven, in the microwave. Okay, you might need to stir it at the start and at the end of microwave. Take it out of the microwave. I really don't recommend putting marshmallows in it. Well, it's not like I tried. It's not like I didn't try it or anything. but you take it out and you enjoy. Yeah, and also I made that myself. I made it myself, my recipe. Hope you have a nice day. And also use my recipe.